Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. In this video we have the survival kit. Now I've wanted one of these for quite a while, I just never got around to getting one for one reason or another. I'm just going to crack on with opening it. It was in a bag but I've already opened it up. Okay, so as you can see we have the case, all the bits and pieces. I have already opened this once just to have a quick look, and I can tell you it was an absolute nightmare getting that to close again. And we have the laser pen here that doesn't fit in the box. That's all that was in the box. Just quickly, just going to open my phone up, and as you can see that there. It cost me $23 and it arrived really quickly. It was like less than 10 days. That's about 18 quid in the UK. So yeah, we have the laser pen. Stuck a couple of pencil batteries in there, and you can see that works perfectly fine. Yeah, it takes pencil batteries, which are AAA batteries. We'll open the case up. It has clips on in 4 locations. You open them up and that will reveal all the stuff that's inside. Straight away we have an emergency blanket. A decent weight to that. So obviously it's foil of some kind. 150 by 210 centimeters. Wrap that around you to keep you warm in an emergency situation. What do we have here? We have a knife, a sharp knife. Let's test it out. Yeah, definitely sharp. It locks into place, the blade. You have to push this down to close it again. This part, according to the image I saw, this part here can be used as a bottle opener. So you'll press this onto the bottle lid and prise it off. So yeah, handy little knife. Then we have this, which is this, which is a bracelet and doubles up as a. I'm not sure you undo that actually. This is a bracelet with a little compass on it and some sort of blade there. I don't know what that's for actually. Okay, so I just checked on the listing on my mobile phone, and apparently this is a scraper for whatever reason. And also here, this bit is a whistle that works clearly. So yeah, this rope, I'm not going to demonstrate it right now, but it comes undone somehow, so that if you accidentally chop your leg off, you'll undo this, wrap it round the upper part of your leg and tie it tight to stem the blood flow. But I'm not sure that comes undone, to be honest. I wouldn't want to undo it because I'll probably not get it back together. This is a gift for someone, you see, so I don't want to make sure that it's all back in there as it should be. We have a torch. This takes an AA battery. As you can see, it works as it should. And we have a little keyring light. That must require a battery. Not sure how this works, to be honest. Well, anyway, little keyring light that doesn't appear to be working. I don't think I'm going to use that anyway. We have a whistle. It's pretty loud. And we have, just open this up. And we have a bottle clip. This goes round the neck of your bottle. You clip that on there. You attach that to whatever you want to, and your bottle will hang from it. We have a compass, you can see. This glows in the dark. Obviously I can't show you that right now, but it does glow in the dark. Yep, I can confirm that it does glow in the dark. I've just put it in my hands and block the light out. These are sawing through trees, etc, etc. I'll put some pictures up on the screen somewhere so you can see you can use these. These are really handy actually. And we have, what this is, and we have a pen. So this side is a pen. This side has a metal point on it that will allow you to break glass, which is useful, I suppose. I mean, the brick would do the same job. I think that's all this does actually. Yeah, just it's a pen and a emergency glass breaker. And lastly, we have this multi-tool, and a list of what's on it. As you can see, this saw blade here, which is sharp, by the way. Okay, so we have a can opener. We have a knife here, that's pretty sharp. We also have a screwdriver, this corner here. Bottle cap opener. A 2-position wrench and a 4-position wrench. A butterfly wrench here. I think that's it. A saw blade, obviously, which is sharp. Be careful when you're taking this out, and the knife edge obviously is sharp. And yeah, I think that's it for that. So we'll put that back in here. Put that back in there. So yeah, that's it. I mean, what have we got here? Including the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 items, all of which have their uses. Can't think of anything you wouldn't use there. Well, maybe apart from this keyring, but I mean, I suppose it is a useful item. So yeah, like I said, this cost me about $23, and it arrived in like less than 10 days. I was well surprised how very quick it came. So yeah, if you want one yourself, there's a link in the description below. Thanks for watching. Bye.